So this is a spacer for your mirror, and it has to stay, or you can get a different spacer, I guess, but nothing comes with the kit, which looks a little wonky here. You see how that isn't the greatest in the world? It's the same on the other side. Also, I did my best to adjust all of this so it didn't interfere with the cables, but you can still see that doesn't look great to me. But again, on this side, same thing. So on this side, there are wires under there that look like they need some protection from the elements. So even if you find a spacer for the other side, I think this one you'll want to keep on there. But so it's connected with a couple connectors there, and that little screw comes with this spacer. All new hardware. Let's see, comes there. So I use the BarkBusters on my KLR over here, and I love it. They fit the KLR great, and everything. On the Triumph, I think maybe leave it stock, or get something that's a better quality. I mean, these are durable, but I don't know, just doesn't fit the fancy bike as well, in my opinion. They just don't seem elegant enough, maybe. I don't know. I'll see how it goes if I leave them on or take